There's a little scared possum. Hello, little possum.
He's really small. He's got something in his mouth.
Hopefully he's not going to do anything crazy.
Are you videoing? Oh, he's going to attack your pole. He's biting it.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is.
No, he's not.
Showing his teeth. The cat's over this way, though.
Ooh.
He's growling at you.
About to meet with the VBS crew. We're planning VBS for this summer. My friend Dave. What's up? It's Saturday morning, the first morning that I've really felt normal since the surgery, so I haven't vlogged very much because, well, basically because I haven't been feeling well. You saw the vlog, the last one, what I did in the hospital, which was pretty cool. The recovery's been a lot painful, a little painful, a lot painful. I had pancreatitis. They treated that. That took about 3 days. Then they took out my gallbladder on Monday. I was still super foggy in the head and in a lot of pain, so they kept me till Tuesday. Tuesday they sent me home, and so now it's, you know, it's almost I guess Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So it's like, yeah, it's 4 days later, and I am just now really feeling normal. I did a couple of things while I was still recovering. One is Shayla had an end of the year pep rally that I really wanted to go to, so I managed to force myself to go. But other than that, I've spent a lot of time on the couch. There's music playing. So I come to the church film, so it's Saturday, and I don't know if you can hear this music, but here, I'll open the door, you can hear it. No, it's locked. But so like there's this music going on. What do I do? I hear this. So it's VeggieTales. This may have been on since last Sunday. That seems odd. Or maybe they had an event here last night, but I'm gonna... Oh, wrong button. So I mentioned that in one of my previous vlogs that I also have a podcast. It's called Deeper. Well, because I've been in the hospital and not feeling well, we haven't recorded an episode. Usually we have a bank of, you know, maybe 1 or 2 extras that haven't released yet. Well, because... Oh, I felt that a little bit. Because I've been sick, we haven't recorded one, and now it's Saturday. We release our episodes on Monday morning. We actually upload them Sunday night. So anyway, we're gonna record an episode. Shayla's headed to Oklahoma City, and I'm sending some mics and cords with her to give to Peyton. So Peyton and Lex and I, we're gonna record an episode teleconference-wise over a Google Hangout. video call. So that's what's happening.
We'll see.
Yeah, so we talked about Guardians of the Galaxy 2, deeper podcast coming up here in really just a day and a half.
That's right. That's great.
I guess I better get on to editing. Y'all froze. Oh well. All right, talk to y'all later.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.